Yo guys, welcome to the channel. My name's Carlos.
My name is Ato.
And before we even get the video started, just ask yourself two simple questions. First of all, do you want to be wealthy? Do you want to make money? And if the answer is yes, then keep watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And just quick information about ourselves. We're both 21, we're both pharmacy students, and we've been investing in the stock market for a short while. And we create this channel to educate people about financial wealth by investing in the stock markets.
Especially educate young people such as ourselves, because we're quite young getting into investing, but this age is, I would say, is the best time to get into investing. But yeah, let's just get into the first video. So this first video is like a introduction or like a guide into investing. So first of all, I'm just gonna start off with what is investing. I'm just gonna give a quick dictionary definition of what investing is. So to invest is to put money into a financial scheme, share, property or commercial venture with the expectation of achieving a profit. So in short, that is what investing is. And there's different kinds of investing, such as property investing. You've got the stock market, you've got ETFs, you got index funds. So those are the kind of different kinds of investing. And to give you an example is, let's take the property investing. So let's take your family. Maybe your parents bought the house 5, 10, maybe 15 years ago. So over time, the value of that house would have grew. So if they have to sell the house now, it would cost a lot more and they'll get a profit on top of what they pay for it. So that's like an example or type of investing, which is property investing. And so we're both investors in the stock market.
A bit more information about the stock market is a place where you can buy stocks which are an equity investment that represents part ownership of a company and their assets. And as the company does well, the value of the share price of the company increases and you make profit on top of what you invested in that company. So an example we have here is Tesla. So if I pull out the 1 year chart, Tesla this time last year was at $48.70. And as you can see, as the time has gone by, Tesla increased all the way to $180. It took a little dip from the COVID situation, but has rebounded very nicely all the way to $442.15 today. So if you just imagine, if you invested $48 in Tesla last year, you would have $442 right now. If you invested $480, that would be $4,420. So you get the general concept about investing in the stock market.
Oh, that's just a bit about the stock market. So yeah, so just to let you know what to expect. So in future videos, we're going to be talking through our portfolios, what companies and what stocks we're invested in, as well as how much we're invested in and how much we've made. So just subscribe to the channel and basically follow our journey in the stock market. And we hope to help you invest wisely and invest smart.
Before you do invest, just remember there is a risk associated with this, and it is not a get rich quick scheme. However, I recommend you do your own research beforehand. One thing I'll say is reading books, and I do have a book I recommend here, and it's called Rich Dad's Guide to Investing. And there's also another book here called Rich Dad Poor Dad. And there are also books that you can find online, audio books you can read online. You could also watch YouTube videos to help you grasp the fundamentals of investing.
Okay, so after you've educated yourself about investing, the next step is to set yourself a goal as to what you want to achieve, or where do you see yourself financially in 5-10 years time. So once you've got that written down or just in your head, you can now kind of work towards achieving that through investing. So it doesn't take a lot of money to start investing. You can start investing with as little as £100. It doesn't take a lot of, you don't need a lot of money. You can just kind of maybe even test waters and see if it's something that is for you, because some investing is not for everyone, but investing does come with its rewards, and it's a great way to just build like wealth, like generational wealth, and make sure you're secured for the future.
Once you decided that investing is for you, the next step is choose your investing platform, such as Trading 212. The great thing about Trading 212 is that it allows you to practice with virtual currency up to £50,000 for you to see if the stock market is actually for you.
Yeah, so when choosing your brokerage platform or your investing platform, it's important to see like what the benefits are, such as tax free, or some of them you have to pay monthly for. So obviously you want like a free investing platform. So just do your research yet again and see what kind of investing platforms out there before you jump to one, because you might want to switch in the future. So just be careful what investing platform you start off with, because it's very important, because obviously you're going to put actual money into that platform, so you need to know that it's a good platform. So yeah, so that's something to consider. And yeah, what my personal advice would be, just don't be too scared to take risks, especially if you're kind of our age, 21 years old, because we're still young, and this decade from 20 to 30 is the year we're meant to like take risks and kind of do what we need to do to ensure a stable, wealthy 30s or future. And so yeah, so just don't be too scared to take risks, because right now you're free, you can do what you want, no one's financially dependent on you, so just put that money towards your future.
Okay, and now that you're on an investing platform, the most challenging part and the most important part is picking the companies and stocks you want to invest in. However, in future videos, we'll be showing you our portfolio and what companies we're invested in, and we'll also be having other companies we plan to invest in based on their values and fundamentals, which we believe can grow in the future.
Yeah, so future videos we plan to help you and kind of guide you investing in the stock market by kind of showing you our journeys and showing you what companies we're going to invest in and what companies we're invested in. So yeah, so just subscribe to the video, don't forget to like the video, and we'll be back with more videos.